Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to disable location on Facebook app. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my mobile phone. Now to turn off location access, first of all tap on this Facebook app for a while and now tap on this app info. And over here you'll find multiple options over here. And from this bunch of options you'll find this permissions. Tap on this and now you can find there multiple options over here. Now on the bottom you'll find this your location. You can see it's turned on. Just tap on this and you can see our location is turned off. So in this easy way we can disable location access on Facebook app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button. Have a good time.